In this video, I'll show you how to earn up to $300 in Ethereum for free with instant withdrawals and a very low minimum withdrawal amount. All completely free of charge. But first, if you don't have a Coinbase account, you can earn up to $200 in crypto by signing up through the link in this video's description. After creating your account, you can unlock up to $400 in rewards with Coinbase and Coinbase Wallet learning programs. The Coinbase link is in the video description. It's a great chance to earn more crypto. Now, the site where you can earn up to $300 in Ethereum is freethereum.com. The link is in the video description. The platform has over 400,000 registered users and more than 37 million games have been played. To start, it's simple. Just go to the site, find the sign up option or register. Then select your username, enter your email, choose a password and confirm it. Next, click this button to create your account. After creating your account, to earn up to $300 in Ethereum, 0.11 ETH at current rates, just click the first option, Free Ethereum. You'll see a spin wheel. By clicking this button, depending on the number shown, you'll earn Ethereum rewards that are instantly added to your account balance. You can win $3 for these two values, $30 for these others, or even $300 in ETH for the highest number, 10,000. So if 10,000 appears on the display, you could win up to $300 in Ethereum. So I'll click roll, spin this spin, solve the recapture, and boom, more Ethereum added to my account balance. I can earn even more with this second option, accessing offer providers with tasks, games to test, and surveys to answer. The third option is the games area with paid games where you bet and potentially win rewards. Over 120 casino games are available. To try them, just visit the site and click the third option. You can also access free games through the Flock Games platform, no deposit needed. Play these games and earn rewards right here on the free Ethereum site. You can activate the VIP club for extra perks. To withdraw, click Wallet, then Watch Draw. With enough Ethereum, you can request a withdrawal. Subscribe and turn on notifications to get more content like this.